Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TecgTalk&Tips. In today's video, we will explore Microsoft Copilot, a powerful tool in the world of artificial intelligence. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. So to access the Microsoft Copilot, visit copilot.microsoft.com. Hit enter and it will ask you to log in through your account. So what you have to do, if you have Microsoft account, just log in with that account, or you can create new account. So this is the interface of Microsoft Copilot. Here you can give the prompt, or you can give the question, or whatever information you want, you can give it here, and Microsoft Copilot will reply you with a prompt answer. Microsoft Copilot is an AI companion that can assist you with information, conversation, and content creation. It uses technologies such as GPT-4 and Bing search to provide relevant and useful responses. You can chat with AI, ask questions, and get answers from the web or your own data. Yes, you can get the answer from web or your own data. For example, if you have a PDF document and you want something or some information from the PDF, or you want the summary of the document, you can do it using Microsoft Copilot. I'll show you how you can do that. And also you can use various features like plugin to generate high quality text, images, song, poem, stories, code, and much more. You can use Copilot on any device and browser, or download the Copilot app for Windows and macOS. Now we will discuss about key features of Microsoft Copilot. So once you log into the Microsoft Copilot, you will see this window, and on this window you will find some templates or suggestions how you can use the Microsoft Copilot. So you can select anyone. Let's say, for example, I'm just choosing design a logo for solar energy provider abstract art. So once you click here, it will give the prompt as design a logo for solar energy provider abstract art, and it will give you the response. So now Microsoft Copilot is giving the response. I'll try to generate that. There is a logo I came up with. I hope you like it. So now you can see it has generated logo of solar energy power. So whatever logo you want, you can use it, or below that you can see there are few options it will give. You can make the logo more colorful. What is your design process for creating logo? How long did it take to create this logo? So this is the customized answer, or you can say follow-up questions you can ask to this model to generate the logo. Now I'll see another example here. So how to generate an image. For example, I want to create a poster for Diwali wishes. So how we will do that? I'll just write a prompt here. Create a poster for Diwali wishes. So just hit enter. It will generate the poster for Diwali wishes. Now the Copilot has created the Diwali wishes poster for you. If you want, you can customize these photos and you can add more colors. Here is the follow-up questions, and you can make few changes here. You can add some more colors to the poster. Once you click here, it will add more colors to the poster, and it will give you the another result. See, this is the another image generated by the model. So the previous image was this, and now it has generated another image. So whichever image you like, you can use it, or you can modify the image. So this is how you can generate, or you can create a poster for Diwali wishes, Holi wishes, or any festival, Christmas, New Year, anything you can generate from this AI model. So now I'll see another example. Now I want to compose a rock song for my YouTube channel, TecgTalk&Tips. So I'll give this prompt to this AI model, and it will generate me, or it will compose me the song for my YouTube channel. So how we can do that? See, we have some plugins to generate or compose a song. We have to just activate the plugin. Just go to the plugin section right there, plugins, just click there, and to generate song we have a plugin called Suno. So Suno is the plugin which can generate the song or compose the song. Now I'll write a prompt here. So I'll just write it here. Compose a rock song for my YouTube channel, TecgTalk&Tips. Let's see what it says. So now it will use the AI model or plugin, that is Suno, to generate the song or compose the song. So now it will not only generate the song or compose the song, it will give you the lyrics of the song as well. So you see what is the song lyrics, and you can use it. Now let's try to listen to the song. So this feature is awesome. So you can use this feature to generate any type of song, or you can compose any type of song. So now another point is how to generate a document summary. You can also summarize your own document and ask specific questions. To use this feature, you need to open the Microsoft Edge browser, right? So here I have just opened this in Chrome browser. So to use the document summarization feature, we will use Microsoft Edge browser. So here is the Edge browser. Okay, now just we have to open the document in Edge browser. So I'll just open the document. I have one document, terms and conditions. I'll just select the document, right click it, open with Microsoft Edge. So now this document is in Microsoft Edge. So we can see here this document has 7 pages, and among these 7 pages we want to generate the summary of the document, and we will ask the follow-up questions as well. It will give you the summary of the document as well. It will give you the link to the content where this document has this content. So for that, what we have to do, just click on the top right corner. There is a Copilot plugin that is inbuilt plugin for Microsoft Edge browser. Just click here and it will give you the prompt, predefined prompt, generate a document summary, or you can write your own prompt also. So I'll just click on generate document summary. Once I'll hit enter, it will generate the summary of the document for me. So no need to read the entire document. If you have a document having hundreds of pages, so no need to write the document one by one. So here this is generating the summary of the document for me. So it's a very useful feature. Whosoever is analyzing the document or analyzing the contract application or any company policy, terms, conditions, it will definitely going to help you. So here it has generated the summary of the document. Alright, now you can see this is the summary of the document. Terms and conditions, risk assessment, taxes, modes of payment, and so on. So here if you want, you can click on the section here. So it will navigate to the document where this content has written. So just click here, it will navigate to the document section. Here this is the content in your documents. You can check it here. Here this is the content. Next you can just click here, it will navigate to the section of the document. Now it will give you the pages also, references. So this is the first reference, second reference, third reference, and fourth reference. So this is how you can summarize your documents. Alright, next we will see how to get insight of the screenshot whichever being provided to the model. So here add screenshot option is there. Just click here. It will ask you to select the area, and you can select any area from the web page. So here I'll select this one and I'll select say done. So this screenshot is uploaded now. So what I'll ask, give me the insights of this image. I'll just hit enter. It will generate the insight and it will give you the information. So now Copilot has summarized the document. The image you provided is a screenshot of news article or post from News 18. So it will search on the web, Bing search, and it will give you the information. So this is cool feature for this AI module. Now you can also add images and ask follow-up questions based on the image information. So this will give you the information as well. I'll show you how it works. Now I have one image. It has the information of iPhone. So let me open the image. So this is the image of iPhone. I have taken the screenshot from one of the e-commerce websites. So the price is 72,999 rupees. So let me give this image as an input to the Microsoft Copilot, and we'll ask the follow-up question, and let's see how it responds. So I'm just giving this information to Microsoft Copilot. Here I'll just add image, upload from this device, from desktop and iPhone. I'll ask give me the price information. Yes, so it is given. The price of Apple iPhone 15 Blue 128GB is 72,999 rupees, marked down from 79,999 rupees, giving a discount of 8%. So this is giving the very customized information. So I just asked the price and it is giving the information what was the actual price, how much is the discount, and what is the current price. Now I'll ask another follow-up question among this. So here I'll upload the same image and I'll ask about the ROM. Give me the ROM information. So now the ROM information for the Apple iPhone 15 Blue 128GB is 128GB ROM. So it has given the information about the ROM. So this is very useful feature we can use to identify the information from the image or from the screenshot. So this is it for today's video. I'll create another video on Microsoft Copilot. If you like the content, hit like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.